At 3:55 a.m., an individual was observed walking around the shopping center, checking doors and looking around the premises. At one point, he looks into a camera seemingly to see if he is being recorded before moving on. Monitors used speakers to warn the individual to leave the property, however, he did not comply. The individual continued to wander around before finally deciding to sit down behind a cleaning business which had been closed for hours. Police were dispatched to the property, and he was arrested for loitering and appearing to have an unknown substance in his possession. Another apprehension for Stop It Live video monitoring.